Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a New Year's Spider-Man. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. It's going to be basically Spider-Man's head and torso with kind of like a New Year's hat and sash. It's going to be simple, like I said, and that's it. Let's get started, all right? Don't forget to the very end. The very end, I'm going to do something that's going to wrap the drawing together, so absolutely stick around for that. It's a short video. It's like maybe 8 minutes, 7 minutes. All right, let's get started. Before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw. I post 3 times a day. I don't think anybody else posts 3 times a day, but let me know if you do. But yeah, let's get started, okay? I'm going to curve for the top of the head. We just had that curve. So I'm going to pull down on the right side over here. Pull down. Pull in a bit. It's going to carve in just a bit because that's where the eye is going to be. Side of the cheek over here, pull down. Now I'm just going to pull up this direction for the jaw. Down here. And we're going to pull all the way down here. It's going to be like the back of his neck right there. Down here for this side of his neck. Down here for the shoulder. Down here this side. And now I'm going to throw a sash across here. Down over here. Across. And I'm going to pull another line that way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go around here and I'm going to pull like a shoulder. Edge of his shoulder here. And down. Go over here to the left. I'm going to go over here to his hat and put that, well, I'm going to go to his head and put a hat on him. He's going to have like one of those pointy kind of party hats. Over here, down. At the very end of the hat, I'm going to have this kind of explosion-y shape. Going to go over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a design over that hat. Just kind of curving it right here. Curving it. And over here, I'm going to draw the end of the sash on this side. Go over here on this side, up, armpit, right here, chest, basically chest, armpit, down, and continue to go down the side of his torso, down over here, out and down here. Okay, gonna go over here and find his, let's find his Spider-Man features. Curve over here, down, scoop up. Go over here on this side, scoop up, and this one is going to go around the corner there. Going to draw a circle there in the middle, and I'm going to. There's going to be lines, thinner lines right here than normal. Thin, they're going to radiate out of the circle, kind of like when you draw a cartoon sun. It's going to radiate out. Curve in here for the webbing. See, it's gonna curve in, curve in, curve in. Same thing over here. Curve in, curve in, curve in, curve in here, curve in here, curve in here. Curve over here, curve over here, curve over here. And on the chest area right here, I'm just going to draw mostly, it's going to look like a checkerboard. I'm going to start curve a line here because his shoulders are cut off. But for the rest of him, on his body, it's literally a checkerboard pattern. See right there, and then I'm going to draw a line across. So I'm careful to keep these pattern lines thinner than normal, and the reason I do that is, well, the reason I do that is mostly because you don't want to, make them so thick that it becomes thicker than the outside line, because it's a secondary detail. Like, let me draw a thicker line here for the actual chest area, line over here for the chest. And I'm going to draw a little bit of that spider he would have on his chest. And just kind of like parts of it. And let's not forget, sorry, curve line here, in. Curve line here, because there's blue. Line in here, curve, curve. And way at the bottom here, I'm going to draw like lines, but that's way at the bottom. Let's go over here across the sash. 2022, which is the year we're at now, or we're about to go in. And that is it. New Year's Spider-Man. I want to thank you very much. Well, you could actually, because we're gonna keep this on black and white, but you could draw like firework shapes in the back. So a dot with radiating lines kind of coming from it, as like, this, that would be the firework shape. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, or I'm sorry, the subscribe. Hit the like if you get a chance. It helps the channel out as far as algorithms go. If you like learning how to draw, like I said, I don't know if there's anybody that posts as much as me. Can you please let me know if someone else posts as many drawing videos as I do? Because I post 3 every day. I don't know if anyone else does that. Like, I'd like to know, because I can't find anybody that does, but maybe there is. Thank you so much. I will see you, and I will talk to you guys in the next video, okay? Something else is, don't forget to check out all the cool stuff in the description. There's a lot of neat material there that you can go through. And I want to thank you very much. You guys have been all super nice. And that's it. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you later. Okay? See. Oh, one last thing. If you have any requests for new videos, let me know. We're rolling into a new year. I'm very excited. So let me know what you think, and I will, try to make it happen. I've done a lot of requests here. So, like I said, absolutely go request whatever you want, and I'll make it happen. Make sure I haven't done it before. In some cases, if it's been a long time, I'll probably do it again, but I'll talk to you later. See ya. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.